Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about water pollution, a serious issue that affects not only our environment but also human health, animals, and the entire planet. Let's go through each part. Water pollution means dirtying or contaminating water in lakes, rivers, oceans, and underground water. This happens when things like harmful chemicals, plastic, trash, or disease-causing microbes get into the water. It harms fish and other water animals, destroys ecosystems, and can even make us humans sick. A big example is the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, a floating island of plastic waste as big as 1.6 million square kilometers. That's more than twice the size of Texas. Moving towards the causes from the industrial waste. One major cause of water pollution is industrial waste. Factories sometimes dump harmful substances like chemicals and heavy metals into nearby rivers or lakes. A dangerous one is mercury, which is often used in gold mining. It poisons the water and the animals that live in it. Overall, industries are responsible for about 30% to 50% of the water pollution worldwide. Next, agriculture. Agriculture also plays a big role. When farmers use too much fertilizer or pesticide, the rain washes these chemicals into rivers. These excess nutrients cause algal blooms, huge growth of algae that use up the oxygen in water, creating dead zones where nothing can live. Also, animal waste from farms adds bacteria and viruses into water. A big example is the Mississippi River runoff, which causes a 5,000 square mile dead zone in the Gulf of Mexico. Moving towards sewage and wastewater. Next, we have sewage and wastewater. In many cities, especially large ones like Mumbai, not all sewage is treated properly. It gets dumped directly into rivers and oceans, carrying dangerous pathogens and waste. Also, during rain, water from streets washes oil, trash, and chemicals into nearby water bodies. This makes the problem even worse. Moving towards effects on human health. In that, the polluted water is dangerous to humans. It can carry diseases like cholera, typhoid, dysentery, and hepatitis, which affect millions of people, especially in poor areas. Polluted water with chemicals like lead or mercury can poison people slowly over time, causing nerve damage, kidney problems, or even cancer. Every year, about 485,000 people die from diseases caused by dirty water. Let's look at how pollution affects fish and sea animals. First, eutrophication from excess nutrients causes oxygen to disappear, killing fish. Second, toxic chemicals poison animals or stop them from reproducing. Third, plastic pollution is everywhere. Fish and turtles often eat plastic by mistake or get stuck in it. Finally, coral reefs, which are like underwater forests, are dying because of warming and acidic water caused by pollution. Water pollution affects on ecosystems, also damages entire ecosystems. Toxins build up in the food chain, so even animals that eat other animals get poisoned. Polluted water destroys natural habitats where fish or frogs breed. And when pollution gets too bad, sensitive animals like amphibians start disappearing, leading to a loss in biodiversity. One way to stop pollution is by creating wastewater. There are three main steps. First one is primary treatment. In primary treatment, we remove big stuff like sticks, leaves, and garbages. Secondary treatment, in which uses helpful bacteria to break down into waste. Then tertiary treatment, in which cleans the water even more, removing nutrients and germs. This process helps make dirty water safe again. Also, we can prevent pollution by changing our habits and enforcing rules. Using fewer fertilizers and Switching to eco-friendly farming helps properly throwing away trash and not dumping waste into rivers is also important. Finally, governments must enforce strong laws like the Clean Water Act to make sure industry and people follow the rules. To sum it up, water pollution is a global threat. It affects our health, wildlife, and the natural environment. It's caused by things like industry, agriculture, sewage, and poor waste habits. But we can control it with better treatment system, smart farming, and strict regulation. As students and future leaders, you can help by saving water, reducing waste, and supporting clean water programs. Thank you.